তেখেতকো ইয়াত আহি শ্ৰদ্ধাঞ্জলি জনাবৰ কাৰণে অনুৰোধ জনাইছোঁ। ইয়াত সাংসদ আৰু সকলো আমাৰ জ্যেষ্ঠ নেতৃবৃন্দক আমাৰ
সুখদাং বরদাং মাতরম বন্দে মাতরম।
সমিতিৰ অন্যতম সচিব শ্ৰী মনীষ চৌহান নাগৰিক, প্ৰাক্তন ৰাজ্যসভাৰ উপস্থিত আমাৰ সন্মানীয় বিধায়কসকল, প্ৰাক্তন সাংসদসকল, আমাৰ মাজত উপস্থিত আমাৰ আজিৰ এই অনুষ্ঠানৰ অধ্যয়ন কৰিব পৰা নাই, কিয়নো তেওঁলোকে আমাক আজি আমাৰ দুৰ্ভাগ্য যে যিসকলে স্বাধীনতা সংগ্ৰামত ব্ৰিটিছৰ পক্ষত সহযোগত আছিল বৰ্তমান আমি সহ্য কৰিব পৰা নাই। তেওঁলোকে পাহৰি যোৱা উচিত নহয়, হিটলাৰ মুছলনিৰ দৰে সদস্যসকলেও জিলাৰ চুকে কোণে ৰাইজৰ ওচৰ চাপিছে কৰিবলৈ বদ্ধপৰিকৰ। পুনৰ সকলোকে আজিৰ এই সন্মান যাত্ৰালৈ জিলা কংগ্ৰেছৰ তৰফৰ পৰা আদৰণি জনালো, অভিনন্দন।
We all know since the day the Indian Constitution was adopted and the Indian flag was adopted as our national flag, from that day onwards the BJP and the RSS disowned the Indian Constitution, disowned the Indian flag. For close to 50 years, the RSS, for more than 50 years, the RSS did not hoist the Indian tricolor at their headquarters, and the RSS organizer and Govalkar often condemned and criticized the Indian Constitution. They went on to say that we will change the Constitution. If they actually respected Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, if they actually respected the Indian Constitution, would they have said that we will change the Indian Constitution? And that is why I credit Shri Rahul Gandhi for awakening the consciousness of the Indian people and uniting us in the fight to save the Indian Constitution. And he betrayed the real sentiment that they have towards Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar and the Indian Constitution in his speech inside Rajya Sabha. Would Prime Minister Modi not have told Union Home Minister Amit Shah immediately to apologize and resign? So we oppose that. The Ambedkar Samman Jatra is being conducted in every district of India. In the days to come, it would be taken to every village. We're having a huge rally on the 27th in Belgavi and Karnataka. And of course, various state governments will try to block us, will try to suppress us. Today, in Assam, the BJP is again disrespecting Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Because all that the Congress party wanted to do and all that the people who believe Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar wanted was a peaceful march, was a peaceful walk. And this walk's objective was to show respect to Babasaheb Ambedkar. But the fact that BJP has denied us permission shows that they don't respect. And today again in Assam, the BJP are insulting the legacy of Babasaheb Ambedkar. Thank you.